In the 18 years since I first began researching this subject, I am no closer now than I was when I started. I am referring to the original story about the Castello della Rota and the sighting in 1982 when the Templar was seen riding his horse and other spirits also being seen in the weeks after. This event supposedly happened, according to the curator of the manor, because of restoration that was taking place in or around the garden sometime in late 1981 and early 1982. It disturbed the spirits that reside at the manor and were photographed by a professional photographer. It is not clear, but this photographer might have been Daniele Gulla. In the years since I first started to write to the curator, I wasn't able to get the original photographs. The curator has since left and all my contact information has been lost since then. Some of the photographs were shown on a television special called Sightings, The Ghost Report. This special was released on video sometime between 1995 or 1996, but it took me 3 years to see it. They showed 2 photographs of at least 5 that were made of the specters, but not the Templar riding on his horse. I have seen this picture and others on the internet but lost the website where they were posted sometime in 2001. The present owners of the manor will not allow anyone to see the inside, only view the building from the outside areas around it. As you can see, people have gone to great lengths to try photographing the interiors. Some have been lucky enough to get shots on the first floor but nothing above that. Based on videos, the stairs are still intact and appear to be strong enough to hold people. So why they don't attempt to go the second or third floors to video save what's there, isn't clear. Some researchers don't even see obvious evidence like the photo of a Templar with his cross shield, yet a human face can be seen just below the shield. Other evidence has been shown of movement just off camera that captured an apparition transmutating out of sight, but they don't know what the apparition was. The reason I began studying the accounts about the Castello della Rota is that these ghosts that were photographed look exactly like a spirit I saw myself in 1973. We lived in Georgia and returned from a small fishing village in Nova Scotia called Freeport. It is there that an old mariner had died in 1963. His home was abandoned and we were able to recover one of 2 sea captain lamps he owned. A year later in 1974, the house was vandalized and burned down. In the weeks that followed after returning, odd things started happening. We heard footsteps upstairs, cold spots in the hallway where the lamp sat, and then my own experience of having seen this spirit in the hallway one night. Though I am no artist by any means, this shows how he looked approximate to where I saw him in the hallway. He had black holes for eyes, a slight mouth, nose hole, and was wearing a captain's hat. He turned to look into the room where I was. I pinched myself to prove I wasn't dreaming this and it hurt. I knew this was real and I never forgot it. It's been frustrating to try obtaining information about the manor because so few, if any, speak or understand English. Many videos on YouTube were made in Torino by residents and paranormal investigators. Getting them to understand my questions is almost impossible at the least. But I continue trying to find these photographs that show the spirits with black eye holes and holding spears and riding a horse. No videos I've seen has ever shown that in them, but originally in 1998, I found a web page that showed these images but lost it when my computer got a virus and it destroyed everything. The curator was telling me then that he intended to retire soon and I wouldn't be able to ask him anything else, and that's what happened. It could be that the curator was the actual owner himself, but I can't confirm that. Perhaps someone who sees this video will perhaps lead me in the right direction to find these photographs. I know they were shown on television in the 1990s. What's odd is that the videos you see today on YouTube never even make mention of them. It was the first real evidence ever taken that the spirits as Castello della Rota were real, and someone had the photographs to prove it. Sightings has long ago went off the air, so I can't contact them about the images. The stated source is just Castello della Rota, nothing else but the date 1982.
Scram, kid, you bother me.